Cooking power. Up to 20,000 total BTUs. 2-in-1 design. Use grill and stove at the same time. Stove fits a 10-in pan. 130 square in grilling area. Push-button ignition. For matchless lighting. Pressure regulator. Pressure control technology provides consistent performance, even in extreme conditions. 2 adjustable burners. For precise temperature control. Wind blocking panels. Shield burners from wind or fold down for use as side tables. Runtime. Up to 1 hour on high on 1 16.4 ounces propane cylinder, sold separately. 3 year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Highly recommended. I was hesitant about buying the grill stove Coleman after reading all the negative reviews. I'm really glad I bought it. I love the versatility of having a grill and a burner. I have cooked 4 steaks, 4 burgers plus asparagus and Brussels sprouts no problem without the grill melting or blowing up like 70% of the reviewers stated. I'm sure the grill would melt if you're grilling for a long period of time, or if you put a cast iron pot or pan on the grill. For the price you can't beat it. Awesome for a weekend cookout or save for emergencies and power outages. The temperature controls are not horrible and the electric start works 1/2 the time. Bring matches or a lighter with you just in case. Easy to clean and doesn't take up too much room. Buy it, you won't be disappointed.